Alright guys, so got a pretty cool video for you guys today. Today we are on our way to the airport. We're heading for New York City for the WindUp Fair. Gonna be awesome, gonna check out a lot of really cool watches. Probably gonna do some exploring of the city. It's been a while since I've been there, so we're gonna check that out too, and I'm gonna bring you along for the whole thing. Let's go. Alright guys, so we've made it to our hotel. We are staying at the Dream downtown, just a few blocks away from where the WindUp event is happening. As far as tonight's plan goes, I'm going to be meeting up with a few watch enthusiasts. One is a really great photographer. The other is the owner of a micro brand that I've been dying to get on the channel. He's got some really awesome dive watches. So I'm going to bring the camera along. I'm not sure how much filming I'll do today, but we'll see what we get up to. Alright guys, so last night was an absolute blast. Unfortunately, didn't have the camera out for much footage. I ended up spending most of my time with two guys. One was Tyler Alexander from Tyler Alexander Photography. He is a professional watch photographer. He's done a lot of brands, including some that we've had on the channel. The other gentleman was the owner of Ocean Crawler. He's got some awesome dive watches. I'm going to leave links where you can find both of those guys in the description below. Make sure to go check them out. So we are in New York City and it is a little bit loud, so I apologize for that. Today though is all about WindUp New York. We're just about a block and a half away from Chelsea Market where that's happening, so we're going to head over there now. Have you posted these? I feel like I'd seen these somewhere.
Yeah, I just started posting yesterday.
Yeah, they look awesome, man.
C64C, date or no date?
No date. All about no date.
No date.
Dates make me nuts.
But I cannot read the date. It's useless.
No.
That way.
Alright guys, so WindUp was awesome. Actually met a few viewers of the channel, made some connections with a couple of cool watch brands that hopefully we'll see in the future on the channel. We'll talk a little bit more about the event here in a bit. Gonna do a little exploration of the city. right, guys, so I am back home. I cut the filming a little bit short, and the reason being is the watch community is just so awesome. I decided to put the camera away and just enjoy the last little bit of the trip. After the event, I met back up with Ty Alexander as well as Christian from Ocean Crawler, and we were also joined by another really cool guy, Carlos. He is the owner of Lumed ceramic bezel inserts as well as Sea King watches. Just this morning, he sent out a Sea King for review, so we're going to be taking a look at that here very soon on the channel. He's also got some new bezels coming out, so when those come out, he's going to send me one. I'm going to attempt my first SKX mod, so that should be fun. Look out for those videos here in the very near future. That day, we actually went to a few different restaurants as well as some watch shopping. We went to Tourneau, we went to Braemont, a few different boutiques, and tried to convince each other to pull out the credit cards. Nobody pulled the trigger on anything, but it was a lot of fun. Now, as far as the event goes, it was a blast. It is very busy, so you have to take your time to get through. I'd say I went to about 90% of the booths and spoke to each of the owners. Again, we've made some connections, so we'll probably get some product in for review very soon from some of them, so that's really exciting for me. Met a bunch of guys from the watch community, a few viewers of the channel. I'm not going to get into the specific brands. If you have any questions on any of the brands that are at the show, I'm more than happy to answer those in the comments below. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.